Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to Good Morning Bouncing. My name's Susan Churchill, and I'm a certified trainer and practice group leader with Spring Forest Qigong. I hope you found my YouTube channel page yesterday so you could practice Qigong while I was serving as election judge. So I hope you found it. If you didn't, there is a post here, and you should be able to find it. And please subscribe um, because that would be lovely. And I'll be having more things there. So the plan is to um, make some little mini videos, and so you can check that out. Okay. Morning, Patricia. All right. So let's start the day and breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the mouth. My hands automatically went to prayer position, so you can decide if that's where yours are going this morning. Good morning, Maria. Feel the earth underneath your feet. So we're bringing in spring words for today. So it's raining out there, so I thought I'll bring in rain. So spring rain, think about that, how it can affect our practice and our day. Bend, soften the knees. Let the earth energy, chi, life force come up through you. Say good morning to your lower dantian, middle dantian, all the way through your shoulders and neck, jaw, senses, brain. Feel at the top of your head as your awareness continues up into the universe. In the center, like the heart of the universe, there's a brilliant, gigantic, unbelievably gorgeous sun, and you start to feel automatically the beams of love and light, and warmth, and healing, every possibility coming down, touching your skin, going into, through the body, down to the earth and back. Let this help to soften all your muscles, to slow your breath, slow and deepen your breath. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. And when you're ready, start bouncing from the knees. Good morning, Alicia. Good morning, June. Lovely to see you all today. For anyone watching who is interested in learning more about Spring Forest to take it to a deeper level, I am teaching online class level 1 Chi activation on Saturday and Sunday this weekend, and then I will not be teaching in May. The next one will be in June. Pass it on to your friends. How's that feeling? How's your body feeling? Feel the physical form and the balance of the physical form from how your weight is distributed on your feet. And then I'm going to bring my shoulders back because I've been hunching a little bit. So I'm going to give a little stretch as I'm bouncing and release and just see myself so straight and aligned. Then we'll take our hands up over our heads and do our 5 minutes of bouncing with our hands over our head. Hi, Christine. Hi, Kelly. Hi, Dorothy. Happy Wednesday. I hope everyone found my YouTube channel. If you haven't yet, please go see it and become a subscriber. That'd be awesome. I'm going to be putting more things on as the weeks go by. So you can, my plan is to do some mini reels, couple of minutes of this, couple of minutes of that, some tips, things like that. So get on so you will always be informed. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Hi, Hannah. Good morning. Hi, Pam. If anyone is going to be at the 30-year celebration in May, I haven't signed up yet, but I intend to do so this week. There's always like so much to do. It's like, oh, I'll get to that when, you know. Bringing contentment. That's what I was talking about in the Chi Talk a couple years ago that I did on contentment. I'll be content when, I'll be content if, to release that thought and just say, hey, I can be content right now in this moment. So that's what brought back to me from saying that. And my website is just about ready. We just have a technicality trying to get it to launch, to publish. So trying to figure that out. And I'm offering my healing art or intention art. So if you're going, my thought was, if you're going to the 30-year reunion, and you want some healing art from me I would have ready for you, let me know. Also, if someone is not going, but they'd like me to do something while I'm there for them, I'm not sure how many I can get done, but just let me know and I will accommodate people. So I haven't got that set up on the website, so I have to figure that out too, and then get this website going, and then it'll be easier to know what's going on. And you can access my abilities, and we can work together, which would be awesome, awesome, awesome. So breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the mouth. Let your hands just flap at the wrists, knowing they're going to work so hard for you every day. Yesterday, they were helping me register voters and check them in and all that kind of stuff. We didn't have a lot of people. We were there, officially from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. And our district only had 65 voters all day. And then there was one other district in our building, and they had 110, and they had more because they had a school referendum they were voting on. But the people that came in were like, people don't realize how important these little elections are. And this one guy he was so eloquent, and I'm not going to be able to say it like but saying that there are people that fought and bled for my freedom, my rights, so that I could vote and have a say in my government. And I'm not going to miss one. I thought that was brilliant. And everybody was so kind, saying, thank you for serving, thank you for being here. And then there was someone who spoke Korean, so I got to click Korean and help them with that. That was pretty wild. That's just wonderful, right? We've got so many different people, and everybody, and that's everybody around the world, is important and has an opinion. And it's important that we can feel that our voices are heard, in different ways. So just like us and how we're using our Qigong to listen to our inner voice and to become more compassionate, right? We have to remember that. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, today's word, I've gotten off, sorry. It was a long day, and then I couldn't get to sleep last night. Um, so good thing I have my practice. But the word for today is rain, because it's outside right now in my house. It's raining, and I thought that's a good spring word. So how can we bring in rain? Let's rein in, R-A-I-N, the light and love and everything from the golden sun. Let's do that. Let's feel that as we do our tapping and cupping. So we'll continue our active exercises. So first, let's do our shoulder shrugs. Loving those shoulder shrugs. Shoulders, lift them up to the ears, head back. Smile on your face, tip of the tongue touching the roof of the mouth, holding for about 9 seconds with the intention of bringing spinal fluid up the spine to bathe the brain. Let's release the shoulders. I was feeling a little pressure there to cough, but didn't do it. Yay. And feel like a whale spouting, that your brain is getting soaked with revitalizing chemicals. And do it 2 more times. Shoulders up, head back. Make sure you have a little bit, so you're a little bit of scrunch. So firm, yet gentle. Don't go off too hard or anything like that. And release down. And then feel the chi like coming from your tailbone. Guide the chi all the way up to the top of your head. That's going to help guide the physical part, the spinal fluid. One more time. Head back. Smile, smile, smile. Keep breathing. Slow, deep, gentle breaths in and out. Release down. Get in your beginning of the universe position. If you heard that shaking, that's our dog. He's got his little thunder shirt on. This is called a cozy vest for the rain. All right, how's that feeling just standing there? Feel your body start to, now your physical body may be feeling nice and solidified, holding that form effortlessly. And now let's go into your spiritual, your energy body, and feel it. Allow ourselves to feel, let's go opposite this time. Let's feel the right side of the body. How's the energy feel flowing in the right side of your body? And then the left side. And allow them to balance. Invite balance. The front of your body. Hope I didn't backwards that one. That's okay. And the back. And invite balance. I'm so grateful to have received this information from the universe. I'm going to put this on YouTube. Top half and the bottom. It's helped me so much. I would appreciate anyone who has had experience with, if this feels good to them, any positive feedback, let me know, or when I get it up on Facebook, of course, please comment. Inside of the body, go deep within, feel that stillness, and slowly let your attention go out through the whole body, and then let it go out to the edge of your chi field, or where you feel your chi is going. You don't have to make a spot in your mind. Just say, out to the edge of my chi field and back. Beautiful. And we'll say the password. I am in the universe. The universe is in my body. The universe and I combine together Connect to what's most divine for you and ask for what you want from your practice today. I brought in rain, a word for spring, as it's raining this morning. So bring in the rain. Just let peace and love and blossoms rain in on you and in your yard. Remember how we were having chirping? And then yesterday, if you didn't see it on my Facebook page, I did make one for yesterday, and the word was flourishing. And we'll take our right hand over our upper chest, left hand over the lower dantian, elbows are out, fingers are open, knees are soft. Bend more if you want to lose weight or if you really need just some more support for your kidneys. Notice, feel, sense in some way column of light from the top of your head to the bottom of your torso, and that's always there. I believe that's called the central channel. And I have learned in the last week or so there's difference between meridians and channels. All meridians are channels, but not all channels are meridians. I think I totally forgot to do the tapping. Okay, we'll go back. Tap the cheekbones. As I was thinking of channels, that was reminding me that I did not tap the main two channels. Beginning the eyebrows, cup the top of the head, cup the base of the head, rub your C7. I'm looking at the clock going, wow, I'm going fast today. Forgive me for that. All right, clap your hands. Inside elbow, cupping. Open up the lungs. And the right side. Underarm. Good morning, Shelby. Say hello. We're just going to do one set. Let's say hello to the kidneys. Rub with the backs of your hands and your palm. Shelby, did you find my video for yesterday on YouTube? Just a question. Encouraging everyone to go and to sign up so that I know you're there and you'll start getting information from me. Very excited about that for this year. Come down and we'll do the front of the knees. So sorry you can't see me at all today. Reach around to the backs. Both sides left. Both sides right. Come up on the toes, down on the heels. Avoid this if you're pregnant. Feel that beautiful connection. Okay, thank you for your patience and forgiveness. And back into song, which you're going to go into so easily. Being and not being, your body in its form, holding that form effortlessly, feeling the communication, the balance between being a spiritual being and being a physical being, that coexistence, that cooperation, that compassion for each other, the body supporting the spirit supporting the body. Tip of the tongue touches the roof of the mouth. Chin comes back a little bit. And today is Wednesday, so let's move into connecting heaven and earth. So our hands are above our head. And we breathe in and bend down a little bit. And back up. Breathing in as we go down. Breathing out as we come up. Breathing in, bending the knees slowly and gently. And breathing out, straightening back up. We just want to keep from locking the knees. So keep the knees always a little bit softened, a little bit bent. And you want to bring that into your day. So I was thinking of that yesterday as I was standing um, doing the election judging um, and reminding myself if I found myself with my knees. Sometimes I shift and I had one knee locked, shift my weight. So just let yourself say, hey, spiritual body, remind me, or physical body, when I'm doing that. Just a gentle reminder, and then you just soften. And if you're, at the point of your journey where everything is a bit loud or strong, emotions and things like that are very strong, it's all right. Give it calmness. Say, oh, yeah, I'm just noticing and correcting. Like they talk about how planes have to correct and ships and stuff, right? It's easy to understand with the sailboat, at least easier for me, because you've got the sails and the wind. And so if the wind changes direction, you need to adjust your sails accordingly so you can continue going in the direction you want. So it's not a straight line out there. So I'll say a few more things and then I'll try to keep myself quiet for 2 whole minutes. I know it's going to be very challenging. So connecting heaven and earth, that's the earth element. So the soil, not the planet, the soil. And that's in our body is our spleen and our stomach and our pancreas. And I want to send out healing for anyone and everyone, for the spleen, stomach, and pancreas, including all our animals. And maybe we can even include that as whatever is represented in plants, in trees, in the ocean, in the air. That's a fun idea. And bring in peace. Just feel peace just pouring in from that sun above your head, coming down your fingers. Can you feel yourself automatically going slower because like there's this flow of chi, peaceful chi, just so happy to be called into the earth, coming through you. You are the connection between heaven and earth. So relax, soften, open up, allow yourself to be this connection. And it helps to release anxiety, overthinking, grief. No, the grief is with lungs, but that's okay. We can put it in there. It's good. And the color is yellow, and the chanting is who. All right, I tend to be quiet for 2 minutes, and then we'll wrap it up. Continue to feel peaceful. Can you feel the yellow, peaceful light flushing like rain through you? Aha, there's our word, rain. Raining down from the heavens, peace, filling ourselves, healing our spleen, our pancreas, our stomach, healing those of all our family, all our friends, all of humanity, all our pets, and all, like I was saying, that same representative, in quotes, organ for the air and the ocean, trees and flowers, and our buildings. What about the buildings that we're in? The cemeteries, sidewalks, bridges, clocks. Include everything. And feel the rain of peace coming in from the heavens and up from the earth as it responds. And then we'll gently, when you're ready, gently and slowly bring your hands down, feeling your chi field is so expanded, full, like you're going through Jello or something. Or chocolate pudding. Very good. And when you get down, continue to breathe in and out. However that manifests for you, focus on the lower dantian. Bring all the chi in as a ball of light. And with your mind, spin it in a clockwise direction, faster and faster and faster, having so much fun spinning this faster and faster, and it starts to get smaller and brighter, and smaller and brighter, and smaller and even brighter, until it turns into a tiny little energy pill. And since we're talking about rain, perhaps it is a little drop of water, crystal clear little drop of water, and tuck it deep behind the navel. Allow yourself time to take some deep breaths in, to bring yourself back from your meditation, and yet to allow yourself to experience that connection throughout your day, or for as long as it lasts. Rub your hands, get some chi lotion. 2 fingers slide up the sides of the nose, of the forehead, around the face, and down the chin. See what that feels like. Take your fingers along your scalp, and then cup your head. And then cup the base. Let's get some more. Let's do that a little longer this morning. And just get that chi going in the brain. So grateful, so grateful. And then we'll finish off rubbing our ears. And a big 10,000 hand breath in. Allow the gifts of the universe. So grateful for us all, asking for blessings to rain down upon us. Really working with the rain word today. And then accept those gifts, bring them in, and pledge to give as much as you get. Say thank you, thank you, thank you. I say many, many blessings. And I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Bye.